So I just want to make this quick video because this always annoys me about this bike because it's black. So black bikes always get scratches really easily, and also when you wash it and wipe it, it will always get like these micro scratches. You can't see it very clearly on camera, but there's some like swirls. There's a lot of swirls on this bike now because I've been washing it all the time, this whole time. Even if you try to do a 2 bucket method and all that, it always gets, it doesn't matter. So what I do, I've had this thing for a long time, this turtle wax. It's like a black, it's specifically a black polish, black wax kind of thing. So I'm gonna try to show you guys what this does. This actually really works on this bike. So if you have a black either car or motorcycle, you just use this. It kind of fills in all those scratches, those hairline scratches on the paint, the very fine scratches. And then yeah, so I'll just show you how it works. So you can see kind of the spider webbing right here. I'm gonna apply it and I'm gonna show you guys in a second what it looks like afterwards. All right, so I don't know if you guys can tell from before and after. It's at the back. My lighting is, I'm certainly not a professional when it comes to detailing like this, but all I did was apply this the black polish and then buffed it, and that's it. So it kind of, I don't know, from where I'm seeing, it's deeper black now, and it's hiding all the fine scratches. But you know, I mean, you can use whatever. But I'm just saying, like, this, not sponsored or anything, but it's just, this is what I use because it's always annoying when you have a black bike and it shows all these swirls everywhere, and no matter, it's a clean bike, doesn't matter. It's the swirls are gonna be there. So that's what I did. I'm gonna try to do it on the tank now, so maybe it's a bigger surface, you guys can see it better. But there is some fine scratches, swirls right there. I'm gonna try to cover it up with this polish and see if it works. Okay, so here's the shot after the polish. So let me know. So do you see any difference from before and now? Because I do. So just that polish, it hides it for a couple of washes, and then you have to reapply it, of course. Not permanent, but for like, I think like $20 or whatever from like O'Reilly's or whatever, any auto parts store, you can do this, restore the black color without the swirls. Not so much, I don't even see it anymore. It really like fills it in, but yeah, you can see it right there, but then you can't see it like as obvious as before. Maybe it's just me, but yeah, I'm just giving you guys my kind of this always bothers me because I keep this bike so clean, but you can't get away from those swirls. You know, people call them love marks because you wipe the bikes too much, causes those swirls. All right, guys, so I did all the black pieces, all the shiny parts, finished putting this thing on it. So not really a product placement, it's just what I use. I'm sure there's other ones that are like it. Specifically the polish is colored black, as you can see. I'm gonna show you. So the polish is black, so I think the color of it, as well as the polishing agent and the wax agent of it in conjunction, fills in all the scratches. So I like that. I like how that works out all together. So as you can see, the black is deeper. But this part here, this is if you see this on normal light, like in person, this is really scratched up, but you can't really see it now because of the wax. So it really hides it very well. I don't know if you can see. I think you can on a certain angle, but it's much better now than without the wax. So I just want to share that with you guys because I love this bike when I first saw it before I put the scratches on it, but now it's so easily scratched up. So here it is. Here's the Super Duke, all clean. Still waiting for track season to come back. It's gonna be a few months. So yeah, hopefully this little information helped you guys out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.